RAM and its types. What is RAM? The full form of RAM is Random Access Memory. The information stored in this type of memory is lost when the power supply of PC or laptop is switched off. Generally, it is known as the main memory or temporary memory or cache memory or volatile memory of a computer system. Types of RAM. Two main types of RAM are static RAM, dynamic RAM. Static RAM. Static RAM is the full form of SRAM. In this type of RAM, data is stored using the state of 6 transistor memory cells. Static RAM is mostly used as a cache memory for the processor, CPU. Dynamic RAM. DRAM stands for Dynamic Random Access Memory. It is a type of RAM which allows you to store each bit of data in separate capacitor within a specific integrated circuit. Dynamic RAM is a standard computer memory of many modern desktop computers. This type of RAM is a volatile memory that needs to be refreshed with the voltage regularly, else it loses the information stored on it. Other important types of RAM: FPM, DRAM. Fast page mode Dynamic Random Access Memory is the first type of RAM that waits through the entire process of locating a bit of data by column and row and then reading the bit before it begins on the next bit. Max transfer rate is around 176 MB per second. SDRAM. SDRAM stands for Synchronous Dynamic RAM. It has access time between 25 and 10 nanoseconds and they are in DIMM, dual inline memory modules of 168 contacts. They store data using capacitors using ICs, integrated circuits. On one of its sides, they have terminations which can be inserted inside the individual slots for the motherboard memory. RDRAM. RDRAM stands for Rambus Dynamic Random Access Memory. This type of RAM chip works in parallel, which allows you to achieve the data rate of 800 mH or 1600 MB per second. It generates much more heat as they operate at such a high speed. VRAM. Video. This RAM optimized for video adapters is called VRAM. These chips have two ports so that video data can be written to chips. At the same time, the video adapter regularly reads the memory to refresh the monitor's current display. EDO-RAM. EDO-RAM is an abbreviation of Extended Data Output Random Access Memory. It doesn't wait for the completion of processing of the first bit before continuing to the next one. As soon as the address of first bit is located, EDO-DRAM begins looking for the next bit. DDR-SDRAM. The full form of DDR-SDRAM is Double Data Rate of Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory. It is just like SDRAM. The only difference between two is that it has higher bandwidth, which offers greater speed. Its maximum transfer rate to L2 cache is approximately 1064 MB per second. If you are looking for desktop or laptop RAM, type Servizz.in on Google search bar. In Servizz, you will find all suitable RAM at reasonable price with installation options.